Experience the joy of sound with regular ear screenings and advanced hearing aids. Ever considered the importance of your hearing health? Many of us take our hearing for granted until we notice something's amiss. But just like your vision or overall health, your hearing deserves regular checkups too. Sound plays an invaluable role in our daily life, from appreciating a piece of music to conversing with loved ones. It's a crucial part of our connections and experiences. This is why routine ear screenings, even when you believe your hearing is perfectly fine, are essential. Hearing loss is a common but often overlooked issue. Many of us may unknowingly experience it to varying degrees. It's not just about asking others to repeat themselves or struggling to follow conversations. It can also affect our mental health, leading to social isolation and even increasing the risk of dementia. Don't let your life's soundtrack fade away unnoticed. Early detection and the right treatment can enhance your hearing experience significantly. And with our state-of-the-art hearing aids, the solution is not just effective, but also empowering. Take a proactive stance on your hearing health. Commit to a quick 2-minute routine ear screening today. Not only could this early intervention save your hearing, but it can also guide you on your path to enhanced auditory well-being. Experience the world in all its auditory richness as it's truly intended. Together, let's make every sound count.